This is Oklahoma's own News 9.
Welcome back. Nominations are open for the 2024 Oklahoma Child Abuse Prevention Awards. And joining me this morning to talk about efforts to prevent child abuse in our state is Lachez English, and she is with the State Health Department. Lachez, thank you for being here. And if you can tell us a little bit about what CBCAP is, what it stands for, and what you all do.
Well, thank you for having me. CBCAP stands for Community-Based Child Abuse Prevention, and the Oklahoma State Department of Health is the state lead for CBCAP in Oklahoma. This is funding that comes from the federal government through legislation that addresses child abuse prevention measures and activities throughout our country.
And obviously this is a problem in Oklahoma. We see it, as you said, we see it everywhere, but we see it a lot here. And why is this kind of prevention important?
This prevention is important because with primary prevention, which is what we focus on, we really work with our communities and families to ensure that they have supports in place before prevention occurs, before abuse occurs. Okay. And so a lot of our programming at the community-based level is to enhance and bolster what's already happening in the communities, and we help to fill in those gaps and supports where they need us the most.
And April, it'll be here before we know it, still a few months out. That is Child Abuse Prevention Month. Kind of tell us what the state is doing as far as highlighting this.
Yeah, so with our funding through the Children's Bureau, we are tasked every year with promoting and being the state lead for National Child Abuse Prevention Month in April. And so this year we have some things we've done historically throughout our time with this funding to honor that, but we also have some new things that we're going to be doing. So we're starting our month in April with a kickoff. We are going to be working with Potts Family Foundation and a community in South Central Oklahoma in the Ardmore area, and we're going to be providing a community-wide event there. And we also have the promotion of Blue Ribbon Trees, Penwell Gardens. On April the 10th will be Oklahoma Wears Blue, where we try to promote everyone to wear blue for child abuse prevention. And then what I wanted to talk about today was
the big event.
The big event, which is our Child Abuse Prevention Awards ceremony, which will be April 23rd at the Oklahoma State Capitol.
And that is open to anyone in the community to nominate someone. Really quickly, tell us how they can do that and where they can do that.
So you can utilize the link that I think you're going to share in a moment, and you can go on there. It is a quick, short informational survey to fill out and provide us with some information. And this is a really great way to just help us be able to recognize and honor the very hard work that's being done across our state on a daily basis.
And there will be several winners in this, correct?
Yes, there are 8 different categories, and we have some that are identified to specific individuals and some that are for organizations, and then there are others that can be identified as groups or even events or projects that have occurred.
All right, well, thank you for being here. I know this is a tough, tough to talk about, but it is something that you all are really working to get a handle on and prevent.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here, Lachez. And we